Hello, this is wishing Roddie Cleere a very happy Christmas from Aslan. All the boys are here. Just want to wish you and your listeners a very happy New Year and a very happy Christmas. And hope to see you all in the New Year. And we want to thank you for supporting Irish music throughout the year. Cheers, Roddie.
Cheers, Roddie. Happy Christmas.
Hi, this is Garrett Wall here from Track Dogs in Madrid, wishing all of Roddie's listeners a very happy Christmas.
Hi Roddie, Johnny Stewart here, wishing you and all the Irish Music Show listeners a very happy Christmas. Thank you for all your support throughout the year, and I'll see you next year for a very exciting 2015.
Hi, this is Alien Envoy on Roddie Cleare's Irish Music Show, wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a new year full of resolution.
Paddy McKenna here from Storyfold. Happy Christmas to everybody listening to KCLR. And happy Christmas to you, Roddie. You're a true supporter of Irish music. Thanks for all your support in the year. And have a lovely Christmas and see you in 2015.
This is Paul from Propeller Palms, wishing you a wonderful, balmy, palmy Christmas on the wonderful IMS Irish Music Show on KCLR with Mr. Roddie Cleere.
Hi, this is Brian here. I'm the guitarist with Friends of Emmett. I'd just like to wish Roddie and all involved with the Irish Music Show on KCLR, and especially the loyal listeners, a very happy Christmas and a peaceful New Year. Cheers, good luck.
How are you all doing? This is Eleanor McAvoy here, and I want to wish all the KCLR FM listeners a fantastically happy Christmas. I know that Roddie will be playing the best of music for you over the festive season, keeping your spirits high right into 2015, so take care.
This is Jessica Pritzel wishing Roddie Cleere and all the listeners of the Irish Music Show on KCLR a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Keep an ear out for my new single, Everybody Needs a Little Love, being released January 16th. Merry Christmas!
Hi, this is Susan Bluechild, and I'm wishing all the listeners at KCLR and Roddie Cleare's music show a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
Hello, this is Declan O'Rourke, and you are tuned in to the one and only Roddie Cleere on KCLR, sending you all big love and wishing you all a very lovely Christmas.
This is Brian from Preacher's Son, and I want to wish all the listeners to Roddie Cleare's Irish Music Show, KCLR 96 FM, a very happy Christmas.
Hey guys, David Burke here. A very happy Christmas to all the listeners of Roddie Cleare's Irish Music Show on KCLR 96 FM.
Hey, this is Jason Clark, and you're listening to Roddie Cleare's Irish Music Show on KCLR 96 FM. I just want to wish all the listeners out there a Merry Christmas. I hope you get everything that you want, and I really look forward to coming and playing a show in Kilkenny and Carlow in 2015.
Hi, Jab Bass here from dub reggae band Avatar. Wishing all our fans, our family and friends everywhere an Irie Christmas and an Irie New Year. Bless up.
Hey, this is Barbara Ann, wishing all the listeners to Roddie Cleare's Irish Music Show on KCLR 96 FM a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi, this is Julie,
Matt, Chris and Sam from Hawk.
Wishing all the listeners to Roddie Cleare's Irish Music Show on KCLR 96 FM a very happy Christmas.
Yay! Hey, this is Hazel Jade, lead singer for Elevation Falls. I just wanted to say, on behalf of my band, a very happy Christmas to everyone listening to Roddie Cleare's IMS show on KCLR. And to say a big thank you to Roddie for continually supporting all Irish musicians. Thanks, Roddie. So everyone, keep tuning in here and listen to our latest single, Watching Over You.
Hi, this is Dave and Tara from In the Willows, just wishing Roddie and all his listeners a very happy Christmas.
And we want to thank Roddie Cleere and all at KCLR FM for all the support this year. So happy Christmas, everyone. Bye.
Hi, this is Luan Parle here, and you're listening to the amazing Roddie Cleere Show, wishing you all a very happy Christmas. And Roddie, well, we all only love you. See you in the new year.
Hiya, this is Dermot Lambert from Blink, and I just want to say happy Christmas to all of Roddie Cleare's listeners. Roddie Cleere is indeed a legend.
This is James from Tupelo. I'd like to wish all the listeners of Roddie's Irish Music Show and all the listeners on KCLR FM a happy Christmas.
This is Steve Wall here from The Stunning and The Walls, and I just want to say happy Christmas to you, Roddie, and to all your listeners, and thanks for the great support over the years.